How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 72 Cheyenne truck. Come out of Kentucky. Had a very nice restoration done on it a couple years back. Done in the factory, orange and white, two-tone. Super nice truck, guys. So all the grill, the bumpers, the grill surround, everything's very, very nice on the truck. They've all been redone. It's got the accessory bumper guards there in the front. The truck's real straight. The paint's real slick, flat. Just a super nice truck, guys. Just all stock. Got your factory rallies on it. Tell you, I really like the trim on the tailgate. Just really, really classy. Got the Blazer Suburban rear bumper on it instead of the step. Just nice and slick. A really nice little truck. It's got numbers matched, 350, 4-barrel, power steering. It's got your power disc brakes. It's all nicely detailed under the hood. Just a cool little truck. You know, nobody's really animaled it up, lowered it and chopping the truck up. They just nice stock truck. Got the Deluxe interior. Dash is all real nice. Jams are all real clean, nice on the truck. I actually drove this truck around for 2 days last week. Thing drives nice, rides real good, handles good. Just fun to drive. All inside the bed's all real nice. It's the original. It's got a few dings and stuff in it, but nothing major in the bed floor. It's the original bed. Just real good, old, solid old truck. Got the rear cab light, all works when you open the doors. Got the factory GM radio in it, it works. All the heat and everything works. They did put a set of speakers in the door. I think they were going to upgrade the stereo system. Thing fires right up. It's got the factory exhaust manifolds all into the stock. Single exhaust. This sounds good out the back though. Just a nice backup lights do work on it. Hey, it's just a neat truck. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.